All right, thanks, Nicole. Stay warm. Many people are trying to escape the cold and snow before the winter storm hits tomorrow. And 22 News reporter Sarah Bieneme caught up with travelers at Bradley International Airport and has the story.
Hope everyone stays safe because it looks like it's going to be a big storm.
With the possibility of a snowstorm impacting parts of the south and west, some flights have been delayed or canceled on Saturday. More than 8,000 flights were canceled nationwide. Reasons why a bilingual Olympian headed out early Saturday morning with his team.
El 31 de enero.
I have a commitment in Puerto Rico. I fight the 31st of January.
Rohan Polanco is an undefeated Dominican welterweight boxer who's been training in Springfield. He competed at the 2020 Summer Olympics. Now he's looking to achieve a world title.
Because we want to get to Puerto Rico with time, we want to be able to finish our training, and we don't want the weather to delay us from getting there.
Bradley International Airport typically experiences heavy traffic in the early morning and late afternoon. Luckily, the peak hours between 4 and 7 a.m. were not intensified by the storm demand. Most of the planes flying out of BDL were on time. There were only a few grounded flights. While some travelers made a way to miss the snowstorm, others are kind of upset that they're missing the snow.
Since my birthday's in January, I'm actually upset I'm missing the big storm because I've been waiting for it all winter. But yeah, I have to go see my son.
Originally, Sando planned on leaving Monday morning to visit her son in Tampa. But because of the upcoming storm, she changed her flight Saturday morning, just weeks ahead of celebrating her birthday on a cruise.
I'm flying on Delta, and right now they're on time, so it's nice to hear that.
Working for you, Sarah Bieneme, 22 News.